Yeehaw! 2-lane shenanigans. Today we're going to race an orange car with numbers against another orange car with numbers. And I bit my tongue, so I sound funny. Let's throw them on the track and see what happens. This is a Challenger. Beautiful Hemi Challenger. Orange one. Up on the pallet today. Alright. Let's throw that down the tracks. Contender on the left lane as always. The anatomical left. On your marks. Get set. Race on. Oh, that bird as usual is in the lead. Lower the gates. Contender on the right. On your marks. Get set. Race up. Yeah. Beautiful. Beautiful bird. All right. The Super Bird has taken the win again. And tomorrow, it is the Red Edition Challenger we're going up against. So make your guesses just for kicks. Is it going to be that Red Edition Challenger? Next time on 2 Lane Shenanigans.